Universe cost guesses for the years 2022, 2025, 2030. We here will especially give you the 10 years point-by-point cost assumptions for Cosmos Atom. The Cosmos certainly has quickly obtained most certainly unprecedented thought that crypto monetary sponsor basically are really intrigued and glancing through the requests, like for the most part is Cosmos Atom, a shrewd hypothesis fundamentally in opposition to mainstream thinking. Is Atom worth buying in 2021 in a significant manner? What will generally be the expense increase for year 2022, 2023, 2025 and 2023 in a genuinely significant way? How extremely high can Cosmos go? Cosmos kind of past price analysis, according to the latest market data today. The expense of Cosmos Atom for the most part is 805. And Atom certainly is at this point situated 26 in the entire crypto market. The stream supply of Atom is 286,370,297. With a market cap of 2,306,451,895 in latest 24 hours. In the past 24 hours, the crypto for the most part has been somewhere near 886 in its continuous expense regard in opposition to mainstream thinking. Expecting we ponder the 24-hour market cap of the Cosmos, with yesterday's you can for the most part see that the market cap by and large is furthermore in diving design in an exceptionally significant way. Universe really is at this point defying a difficult stretch, hopping on board with exceptionally other crypto coins. Keeping watch, the Atom generally is down to almost 502 over the latest 7 days. In a for the most part significant manner, the coin is at this point showing taking a risk with illustrating pieces for late days. The coin could serious solid areas for in a real sense have regardless we don't generally accept that it would a useful asset in fundamentally short term. However, after the differentiating the continuous expense truly worth and ongoing days cost history, it truly is seen that Cosmos basically has extended 402 in its expense regard incredibly. The ordinary, especially the smallest expense for the 1 month for the most part is 587. While most by and large limit truly typical expense sort of was 720 in an unpretentious manner. This proposes that this coin in every practical sense is a sensible asset and one more development to your game plan of coins for genuinely long stretch, which is genuinely huge. The 90 days cost change essentially is close 6738. And the expense sort of moved from a base run-of-the-mill worth of 2376 to most prominent, especially typical in every way that really matters worth of 2516 in the past 90 days. Universe sort of is someplace close 6999 with the best ordinary expense of the coin generally was around 2774. And the base run-of-the-mill worth of by and large was around 2618 in past 4 months. In an essentially huge way, Universe price forecast for 2022, 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026 and 2030. We in a real sense expect future Atom cost assumptions. Cosmos guesses by applying significant kind of phony advancing certainly concentrated analysis on the credible worth data of Cosmos, which basically is very critical. We sort of do our absolute best to accumulate most prominent evident data for the Atom coin, which integrate different components, like in every practical sense past worth, market cap, volume and that's just a glimpse of something larger by and large, in spite of prevalent thinking. Expecting you for the most part are wanting to place assets into cryptographic currency market by and large, make a highlight certainly scrutinize our assumptions or so they really thought. Universe price prediction for 2022. According to our guess in 2022, the expense of Cosmos should reach at the actually the least worth degree of 773. In a really significant manner, the Atom cost can show up at a biggest sort of worth of 870. With the normal trading cost of 846. Universe price prediction for 2023. According to the guess cost and concentrated assessment in 2023, the expense of Cosmos sort of is expected to sort of arrive at in any event of 1207, which generally is very critical. The Atom cost can generally show up at a biggest level of 1419. with the common trading cost of 1241, and in every practical sense, enormous way universe price forecast 2024-2025, the expense of Cosmos essentially is expected to in every practical sense reach at the exceptionally outright least level of 1668 in 2024. The Cosmos cost can show up at an undoubtedly outrageous level of 2110, with the run-of-the-mill cost of 1717, all through 2024 or so. They certainly thought the expense of Cosmos truly is expected to reach basically level of 2385 in 2025. In a significant manner the Cosmos cost can for the most part show up at a biggest level of 2888, with the common expense of 2471 all through 2025. Sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking molecule price prediction for 2026 universe cost in a real sense is checked to basically show up at a most discounted level of 3457 in 2026. As per our disclosures, the atom cost could especially show up at a biggest level of 4084, with the regular guess cost of 3555 particle price prediction for 2027. According to our specific assessment on irrefutable worth data of atom in 2027, the expense of Cosmos not entirely settled to especially be at around a base commonly worth of 5039. Amazingly, the Cosmos esteem commonly worth can show up at a constraint of 6023, with the run-of-the-mill trading especially worth of 5217 in USD, in an especially large way. Universe price prediction for 2028, the expense of one Cosmos atom in a real sense should reach at the very minimal level of 7031 in 2028. In a quite large manner, the atom cost can basically show up at a most genuinely outrageous level of 8660 with the ordinary expense of 7291 all through 2028. In a genuinely significant manner universe price prediction forecast for 2029. According to the guess and significant specific assessment in 2029, the expense of Cosmos should especially reach in any event truly worth of 10,332. In a fundamentally significant manner, the atom cost can sort of show up at a biggest worth extremely worth of 12,372. With the regular especially worth of 10,696 universe atom price prediction for 2030. The expense of Cosmos in every way that really matters should explicitly reach basically beautiful worth of 15,728 in 2030. The Cosmos cost could in every practical sense show up at an undoubtedly outrageous, for the most part worth of 18,279. With the regular trading cost of 16,156 all through 2030 universe price prediction for 2031 universe cost essentially is checked to in every practical sense show up at a most negligible possible level of 23,130 in 2031. Lovely and